Hello, so how are you today? Let me ask you a question, okay? Have you ever thought that why school don't teaches us how to make money? How to earn money? Like I am not saying that uh, they will teach us how to become billionaire in a day, or how to make crores of a day, or how to become a crorepati. But beside that, they can teaches us the basics of how to earn. Like if you are a student, or if you are same age like me, 16, 17, and 18, you would know that there is need of money, a basic like expense is needed for us also. And I got to know this when it made me realize that I can't ask money every day in my every day from my parents in my life. Like I have to earn by myself. Then this question also came into my mind. Just think of it. We have spent almost 15 to 12 years of our life in school, or we are spending still. Like I'm 16, I'm still in 11th grade. Then, so we every day we wake up, we go to school, we study, we come home, and we repeat this again and again and again till we graduate from 12th. Like we learn definition in school, we learn chemistry, physics, biology, maths, and etc. All of these things. Then we know that how to write an exam, we know what is important, we know what to highlight in the book or anything, okay. uh, Maybe these are important thing. I'm not saying these are not important, but if eventually everyone have to earn money, everyone will go for a job, everyone will go to earn a living, then why don't anyone talks about it in school? Like if you will just talk about it, you will make sure that if every student will get to know about these basic things. Like I'm in commerce, and I got to know such basic things which we should know, and other people may even don't know about this. Like in commerce also I learned very basic things, but still I think that will help me somewhere. But still there is like there must there is a need of there is a need of conversation of these types of thing in our school, I think. Okay, whenever someone asks you that what you will become, you will say doctor, engineer, CA, fashion designer, content creator, or you will a businessman. But how many of them had asked you that how you will get there? Like what will be the process? Did you know about this? Do you know about the process or something like that? I think this is important. We only I think majority of we only know what we want to become, but I don't think so that majority knows how to get there. Like no one used to ask this. Then like also they don't ask that how's to how's we get salaries, how people pay taxes, how to start in business, how to how what is investing, how you can invest in a share, like these kind of thing. And I don't even know a lot of things about this. I don't know about about, like, a commerce student and still don't know about these. Maybe I will get to know in the future. Maybe you know this, but when it is me, I know this very less. I know there's only a few. I know a few. I do have a little knowledge about this, and that is kind of strange. In school, the people, are just like, they are just lost in the physics, chemistry, bio. Like, I'm not saying these are not interesting. They are, but we also do have to open the doors for the like, the external word, the other word, which is beyond the school, or which is beyond the subjects. I think sometime I used to think that these schools are just making me or us, just no, they are making us knowledgeable only for writing exams. They are just teaching us how to write an exam. I'm not saying that these exams are useless. I am just saying that we are what we are learning today is like not is good for our tomorrow or not. Like, if he learns formulas, definition, will it help in our future or not? If yes, that is good. But if no, why we are still learning that? That is like kind of weird. And that is something like, I don't know what to speak about this, but still that is very strange. Sometime I still wonder, like, imagine if if I were not aware of these types of things, like the YouTube, if I were not making videos in YouTube, if I were not know about internet, how would how would how would I have got to know that uh, there is a lot of another ways to earn money? Like, how would I know that rather than study, rather than doing just job, there are a lot of things which we can do to get paid for? Like, I still used to wonder there, and maybe there would be a lot of people who know, who don't know about this. Like, maybe there would a lot of people who don't even know what is AI. They don't even know what is ChatGPT. And imagine how privileged, how backward they are. Like, not in that sense, but in the sense of technology, in the sense of today's era, where AI is just taking over everything. Like, I used to imagine, it's like, whoa, crazy. Maybe school is like, it is not supposed to teach us these types of things. Maybe it is only for just making us, knowledgeable in things that we, I don't think that will be used in future. Or maybe, like, school is not the not is for this, not is for this, it is not for these kind of things. Maybe it's our responsibility, or I don't know, but I think it should start a conversation in this. It must take a first step in to teach these types of things. And I don't know, this is only in India or it is also in foreign countries. Maybe there they teach something different from what we are being taught here. But uh, there is a lot of difference between the India and other country. If I compared, I will not comparing to Pakistan, okay, that is a different scenario. I am just giving you an example and just trying to give my opinions. So it is just an random question, okay. I am not saying that it is like very weird. I know this is a weird question, but still it's a genuine question for me. and I don't know what you think. What you think? Comment down below and tell me what is your thought. What is your thought? So see you in the next video. Sayonara.